Guys, yes, guys, look at my in-law. Say hi.
Hi, guys.
Yeah, it's very good when you get married to a man that help you. This my sister husband is so amazing. The day that he does not go to work, he has to help his wife out. So he just finished washing his son clothes. Look at that. That is his wife clothes, and this is his son clothes. So we have to pack this one that they have already washed, and he's drying the one that he just finished washing. This is amazing when you have a husband that help you. And let me take you guys to, let me do intro of this vlog. I know this vlog gonna be. Hi guys, good morning everyone, welcome back to another beautiful video, and welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Peace. I'm from Akwa Ibom State. Okay, so guys, I'm here in my sister's house. Okay, so that is my in-law over there. I just finished showing you what he's just doing. This guy, when I came to stay with them for like 3 days, because there's lights here, so they have lights constant. So I always like to come and stay with them like 3 days, 2 days. He always wake up and clean things in the kitchen, wash clothes. The day that he's not going to work, so it's just amazing. So I went to Taruna. It's Friday. Today is Saturday. I went to Taruna. So going back to the time, I have to go and send something. My subscriber fish, afang, vegetable, sinel, periwinkle, and fish to USA. So what I do, I always use God is good to send something to Lagos. So from Lagos, my customer will pick it there, because he's working in DHL, so he will pick it there and package it and send to the owner. So because God is good, is very close to them, so I have to come and visit them since morning. This is around 1 o'clock, and I just wake up. I was sleeping, so I just wake up to go and pour water so that I can take my bath. And I want to show you what this house is all about. So this man has finished his own. Our baby is sleeping, so let me take you to inside so that you guys can see what my sister is doing. They share work in this house. Look at our baby there. He's sleeping. He has finished taking his bath, and now he's sleeping. So let me. Yeah, it's dad that birthed this boy today. I was sleeping. I'm supposed to do a video of that. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna do a video of that and show you guys how my in-law birthed his boy. I'm going into my.
Naked.
So coming to the kitchen. This is my sister. Sister, say hi.
Hi, guys.
Yeah. So what are you doing?
Okay, I'm preparing some food. I want to cook rice and stew. So
Wow.
I'm using fresh tomatoes.
What is in here?
It's onions and pepper.
Your onions has finished.
Yes, and I'm parboiling my rice.
So this is rice and beans. We love adding beans, small beans inside our white rice, because it always tastes good. So that is what my sister is doing. Yeah. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna keep this camera so that you guys can see what she's doing. For me, I have something doing. I'm editing my video. So let me keep the camera. This girl have opened her channel, but she does not serious about doing video. She's not serious about doing video.
Direct. I'm going to give it life.
She's waiting for trouble so that she will start with trouble. This is husband man. Oh, you too much. You have better husband.
What's up? Alright.
This woman is washing rice. So that is it, guys. I'm gonna look for a place and set my camera later.
Don't mind, oh, my kitchen is small, oh. Make something no fall for your head, oh. Can you enter?
No, nothing will fall from my subscriber head. Husband man. Oh, good man. Now let me go inside. See husband man. See husband man. He's helping his wife in the kitchen. I will make a pass, yo.
My husband. Guys, make nothing Nothing follow. Hello.
That is my brother. That is my sister.
Who's
My friend.
afternoon? How are you?
Husband man. Sorry, husband man.
Pepper is hot.
Oh, you can say that again.
Thank you.
See now, somebody's doing, guys. Somebody's doing video call with me. Look at my friend there, and he's talking with my sister and her husband.
What is he saying?
He said that it's very difficult to see a man that is helping his wife in the kitchen.
No, my own husband man can do it too. My
Husband man.
I call him God send.
You know you have to do this to help your wife. No, that's just that. That's what life is all about. Help your wife
Husband man.
in the kitchen.
Yeah, he's a wifey, and that's a husband man. That's how we roll.
You see
That's
that?
how we roll.
You see what is going on? That's why I'm doing video. I'm videoing them. Don't worry, they're gonna see themselves on YouTube.
Oh, darling, thank you. Yeah, you are super.
Do you used to do like this for your wife? Aye.
Oh, that's good of you.
I know that you are a good person. Since I know you are a good person. That is my friend. He's calling me on Facebook call, video call.
Oh, good friend.
Let me
you
see your
are.
pot now.
Those is my mate. I want those they my mates. So I've put onions, I've put pepper.
What do you say?
I said there is not a big deal for husband to help his wife inside kitchen.
Abi?
What are you saying?
No,
Anytime you are still around as a husband, you still assist.
no, no be everybody know that one. No, no go there.
Which one?
Say it's very good for a husband to help his wife
Of
in the kitchen.
course.
Open your eyes so that my subscriber can see.
You know, it's very rare for you to see a man like my husband. I'm the lucky one here.
This one, he just finished washing her son clothes. Oh. You know they have baby, so he just finished washing his son clothes. The day that is not going to. So guys, you guys should enjoy my sister cooking, but later I told her to be shifting so that you guys can see the pot.
Before you something fall, maybe one of my stuff fall for your head. Bah!
No be,
Don't
no
mind
be,
my big kitchen, no.
no
My
be them.
kitchen is very big.
Dad, and some give it the scour like this. He said, "No, go check. Go do check it out." But you shift that, but you don't tell. And I cook around it.
This team, I'm so pause.
My sister is about to cook stew. This is meat. This is tomato, onions, fresh tomato. See.
Hi guys, my name is Mary, like Mary Tom, big sister. So I'm preparing a stew for my family. They're about to start. Start with me.
Shift that, let them see you, Joe.
They not see me.
Who cover camera and me? Don't cover my camera.
I don't understand. Is that an instruction? Yes, I know we have maybe many pattern of preparing a stew. Yes, in my own way, this is how I know it. And I also now know the other one that they used to blend this fresh tomatoes, shombo or tatashi. When they come, you just cook it. The way I'm pouring my oil to start the first step. That one will just pour that fresh tomatoes, shombo, onions, and tatashi. We just pour it inside pot and cook it. When they are cooking it, we will just taste and pour some more oil. Mostly you see that one with the Yoruba people. That's the Yoruba people method. Yes, that's what I know about. So if you want me to prepare that one, I can still prepare it. But in our area here, this is our pattern of cooking, preparing stew. Yes. So we are in this together. Come, let's go. Woo! That's my oil and next thing to put my fresh tomatoes. You see me remaining these small ones like this. So, yeah, they're green. You see, we am going to next to put it's my steamed tomatoes. This steamed tomatoes. This one was the fresh tomatoes and the onions, and this one is steamed tomatoes. In these steamed tomatoes, there are some people that used to use water on it first, but in my own way, I don't do that. So while cooking, you'll be turning it for it to get done, you know. It has to be done so that it will not slap. If you don't allow it to be done, that's where you have the slap taste. Like if you eat it, your face will be sad or what, I don't know. Anyhow, that's my pepper. I'm putting my pepper. So let's assume I bought a lot of fresh tomatoes. I would have blended it together with the pepper. You have to turn it very well. It's like this, my spoon is very short. Let me get a longer spoon so that I will not get it. I'm rinsing it too. So I'm turning it, You have to turn it for it not to be burned. If it is like that, it's going to burn. So turn it. Let me take some more water. Very small, though. Like the oven, yeah, so the water is a very small quantity, so it will not do anything. But if I pour plenty water now, it will just stop this thing because the oil inside is helping the tomatoes to burn. To cook, yeah. So we do a test. Okay, now slap it. I'm going to cook it some more time before I add some more water. Again. Let's taste together. Okay. So not laughing. So let me add some more water from my meat. Just add some more water, some more. from there. This is my turmeric. I always put turmeric in my own stew like this. That one is natural. There's nothing like what do they call preservative. There's nothing like preservative in that one. Just normal turmeric. Blend it. And this is my stew spices. I just added some more. It's small. More I add, more I stir. Okay, that's give a little flavor. You can smell it. Can you? And this is my thyme. I put it small. Small. Okay. I stir it. Now my curry. Also small. Everything is little by little. I stir it. Now I want to pour my meat. Oh, yeah. Don't worry. That's my husband. He's coming around to distract. Stay it. Okay, let me take a little water. See, very little because in my meat I have water, plenty water. So now, before I add my maki, I have to stir it and test it and see if, because all these spices like this come with maki. So let me test it and see how this thing is, how the taste is, so that I will not put maki at the end of it to be salty. My stew is yummy, yummy, yummy. Woo! You got to test it. Okay, let me put my maki first before. Here we have one, anchor and star. So while putting the maki, you know, you have to I don't know. See what I'm doing? I'm not just putting the maki like that. So I don't know. Put it there. Where I live. Or where I don't know. So I rinse my hand. Now it's for me to go back and turn it. Wow, my soup is almost done. Done. So guys, the last thing to do. The last thing to do, I'm now putting back my fresh tomatoes.
This is your own way of making stew.
Yes.
But like there's many people that does not like that fresh tomato because you used to slap somebody.
My own will not slap.
And that's so.
It won't slap. This is my own way. Yes, it won't slap. When you eat it, you see now. So that's just
Anyway, guys, I will do a mukbang of that, so I will tell you how it is.
okay. Done.
Just thank them for watching.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching.
See
Tell
you.
me how the taste is.
How did they go, you know?
They will know.
Tell them you are going to see them in another video now.
See you in another video.
Bye, guys. I love you.
Bye.